What's up, guys? Today we're on an adventure with my Uncle Matt and my dad. We're riding a Rocky Knob. Let's get into it. Here we go. Into Don't Rock the Boat. That's the name of this jump track. What? Don't rock the boat, like I said. We're at the blue Black Diamond jump trail. Okay, and then we're getting on Blue Dream, or pb&j too. And like go over each other, they used to. You see, pretty gnarly little line. Okay, boys. Let's do it. Just gonna pump these first two jumps. Oh, wait, that dude. The big one I want to hit way down here. Whoa! Hey. We'll see the big one I'm talking about. Big one. I'm actually going pretty slow on this. I hate step up. Oh, hi there. Yeah. Gotta climb this massive hill. Okay. What's up, guys? I am so sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. I'm busy from wrestling, and I've just been very busy. So I'm just trying to get some videos out. We're gonna have a lot of fishing in the next few months and a few mountain biking videos. So if you're interested, stay tuned.